Hi, room 3. It's Miss Pabon again here. Happy Monday to everyone. Feliz lunes a todos. Today is week 9, day 1 of working at home. I can't even believe it. We've been working at home for 9 weeks. Hoy es semana 9, día 1 de trabajar en hogar. Los extraño muchísimo. I miss you all so much. Desearía poder estar en el aula con todos ustedes de nuevo. Wish I could be with you guys in the classroom again, but I'm here for whatever you need, and we're going to review what we need to do for today. Vamos a comenzar el repaso o la revisión, lo que los niños necesitan hacer por hoy para fonéticas for phonics. Revisaremos nuestras letras del alfabeto y los sonidos. We're going to be reviewing our letters of the alphabet and their sounds. También los niños necesitan que completar esta hoja, que revisar las palabras this, what, me, y dicen week 9, day 1. So we're going to review what this word is. This word is this. This. Remember, your tongue is touching your teeth. You're saying this. At, what. And then we have me. When we begin writing for numbers 1 and 2, we have to remember we start with a big letter. El grande. El grande, right? Not the la chiquita. You want the big letter. So we're going to see this is my stack of books. What is my stack of books? Me is my stack of books. You're going to pick which one you think goes here. Number 2. This did you pack? What did you pack? Me, did you pack? Number 3. Do you want to see this at 6? Do you want to see what at 6? Do you want to see me at 6? All right, and you're going to remember to pick the ones that you think go in these sentences. And then for number 4, para número 4 de esta hoja, escribe una oración usando las palabras this, what, me. All right. Para escritora, niños dibujen y escriben sobre una cosa que hicieron hoy o completen una página del folleto o libreto del Día del Padre. So we're going to find all the way down here. Vamos a encontrar las instrucciones. So estas son las instrucciones para el libro del Día del Padre y las hojas para escribir y dibujar. ¿Ok? Pero niños también pueden usar una de papel separada o una cuaderno. All right. Now for Max. Ahora para matemáticas. Let's find it. Vamos a encontrar la página, la hoja de matemáticas. Aquí. Para matemáticas, estudiantes completen la problema de adición que tienen los peces. And this says, él dice aquí, el niño que se llama Max tiene 6 peces en su red y su amigo tiene 3 en su red. ¿Cuántos peces atraparon los niños todos juntos? So Max got 6 fish in his net. He has 6 fish. Max has 6. Gus got 3 fish in his net. How many fish did they get in all? So Max got 6. You're going to start with 6 fish, and you're going to put them up here. You're going to take the fish, cut them, and you're going to put them in here. Plus, how many did his friend get? And you're going to put those fish in here. Equals how many all together? All right. Después de terminar la hoja de matemáticas, por favor, niños, hagan 20 minutos de Gigi o abcya.com. All right. After you're done the math, you're going to do 20 minutes of Gigi. Or if you're finished Gigi, you can go on to abcya.com. Y finalmente, para lectura, después de leer el libro Celebrate 3 veces, respondan a las preguntas y registre el título en su registro de lectura. So you're going to read this book, Celebrate 3 times. You're going to read it 3 times, and I'm going to help you guys. So the title, this is the title, Celebrate. And it says, today is a holiday. Americans will celebrate. Today is a fun holiday. It is a special day. It is the 4th of July. Okay, and our question says, what is the main topic of the story? What was the story about? What do you remember that it was about? Was it about hot dogs? No. So make sure you draw a picture of what happened in the story. And then the question asks, what do the boys do on the holiday? What are they doing on this holiday? Are they swimming? I don't see them swimming. You're going to think about what did they do on the holiday? What symbol of America do you see? What is something you see? A symbol of America. And that we sing in the morning. And we look at it when we sing and put our hand over our heart. What is it? You're going to answer the question here. Espero que este video les ayude. Por favor, padres, no duden en ponerse en contacto conmigo con cualquier pregunta. Que tengan un buen lunes.